Yes, children. So first of all, I'm going to explain the figure first. This is right triangle ABD, in which AB is perpendicular to BD. Next, another triangle BCD, another right triangle where CD perpendicular to BD, and the sides AD and BC both meet at P. From P, another perpendicular is drawn, that is PQ perpendicular to BD, where AB, PQ, CD, all the three perpendiculars drawn to BD. So according to the Euclid's axiom, the lines perpendicular to the same line will be parallel, which means I can say the line AB, PQ, CD, all the three must be parallel to each other, and in which the value of AB is X, the value of CD is Y, the value of PQ is Z, and next I'm writing the result RTP. What I should prove here, 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. This is the result we are asked to prove from the problem. So in which first I would like to take ABD triangle. In this, first side AB, second side BD, third side DA, in which a line PQ is drawn parallel to AB. So a parallel line drawn to one side of the triangle, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem statement. So using BPT, first of all, in triangle ABD, we can say PQ parallel to AB. When PQ is drawn parallel to AB, what happens? The angle Q will be equals to angle B because they are corresponding angles. Angle P is equal to angle A because they are corresponding angles. Angle D, it is the common angle for both triangles. So we can say that ABD and PQD, we can make these two triangles similar. By making them similar triangles, we get moment please, ABD triangle similar to PQD triangle. And if you want to go for corresponding sides ratio, please take the serial numbers. First let me take 1, 2. If I take 1, 2, I get AB by PQ is equal to, if I take 2, 3, I get BD by QD, and if I take 1, 3, I get AD by PD. So from which AD by PD ratio is neglected. Then what I have now, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QD. Let it be result number 1. Keep this result, otherwise you can substitute the values. By substituting the values, we can understand here AB is X and PQ is Z. So I can write that here X by Z is equal to BD by QD. That I am going to write. X by Z is equal to BD by QD. Let it be result number 1. Next, coming to the figure, in this, taking another right triangle BDC, In triangle BDC, first side BD, second side DC, third side CB, in which the line PQ is parallel to side CD. So when PQ is parallel to CD, I can say that angle Q is equal to angle D, angle P is equal to angle C, and this angle B will be the common angle for both triangles. Hence, I can say that BDC similar to BQP. Once again, BDC is similar to BQP. So that I am going to write in triangle BDC we have PQ parallel to DC. Therefore, I can say that triangle BDC is similar to triangle BQP, and if you want to go for corresponding sides ratio, first let me take 1 2, that is BD by BQ is equal to, taking 2 3, DC by QP is equal to, taking 1 3, BC by BP, from which the ratio BC by BP should be neglected. So then I have BD by BQ is equal to DC by QP, in which DC is Y, QP is Z. Then I can write the next step, BD by BQ is equal to Y by Z. Y by Z. Let it be 2. Now once observe equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is X by Z is equal to BD by QD, and equation number 2 is BD by BQ is equal to Y by Z. So how I am going to write? The first equation I am going to write as, Z by X is equal to QD by BD. That means I am reversing the ratios on either side of the equal to. I will be getting Z by X is equal to QD by BD. Z by X is equal to QD by BD. Next, taking second equation, I am going to reverse the both sides of the is equal to, then I will be getting Z by Y is equal to BQ by BD. So now I am going to add both equations. Then I will be getting Z by X plus Z by Y is equal to QD by BD is equal to BQ by BD. QD by BD is equal to, plus, because I am adding, no, plus BD by BQ by BD. BQ by BD. And in the numerator, Z is common, so I am taking Z common. If I take Z common, I get Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y. And in this denominators are BD, that means like fractions. So BD is the numerator. Then I get in the numerator QD plus BQ. And here left hand side no change. Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to, once you watch this, QD plus BQ or BQ plus QD, according to the figure, BQ plus QD, BQ plus QD is BD. So I can write here BD by BD. The numerator and denominator both are same. So cancelling, we get 1 that I get in the next step. Z into 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. Transposing this z to right side, I'll be getting 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. This is the result which we asked to prove. This is the RTP and we got at the end of the problem. So the problem is said to be completed. You can see here 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z is RTP. The same thing we got here. So this is the end of the problem, children. I hope you understood everybody. Thank you.